Welcome guys to this unboxing video of the Ulanzi VL49 RGB mini LED video light. This is a very awesome piece of equipment over here that everyone should have. As you can see, vlog now with Ulanzi. This light, you can find so many use cases for it, not only if you're recording videos, doing vlogs and so on, but for everyday use case with your phone, with taking pictures, everything like that, even taking video calls, everywhere where you just need a little bit of quality light. Just like right now, I'm using one of those lights to record this unboxing video so you can see the quality of it right now. So before we unbox, let's talk about the details over here, about the specs, so you can choose the color of your lights, so from yellow to white. 3.7 volt, 2000 milliamp hours, charged with a USB Type-C cable. You have a full RGB control. You can choose whatever color you want. It has a magnets in it, so you can stick it somewhere to a metal thing. 13 kinds of light effects as well, so I will show you all the light effects, all the settings, all about it in this video, how it works. So what do we got inside? Is a silica gel to get the moist out of it. And let's take out the light itself. This is how it looks like in a wrap. What do we got over here as well is a short USB Type-C cable, so you can use any phone charger, any USB place or USB port for it. A short manual over here that we of course don't need, but reality I will check out the manual for you to tell you just what is in there, if there are any necessary stuff you need to know. And we got a quality certificate from Ulanzi. So let's unbox the light itself. What do we got over here is a piece of tape, but we don't need that. So this is how the light looks over here. You have a black version as well. I chose the white version, so I have two of the same lights right now, so I can differentiate which one is which, and if any of them is, for example, fully charged and maybe other is on zero battery. So you got USB Type-C connector. Let's turn it on over here. As you can see, straight away you can choose the kelvins. So let's turn this from yellow to maximal white. Right now it comes up to 9000 K. As you can see, it shines white basically right now, and you can see the LEDs over here when the camera focuses on the lamp itself. And now if I go to the left, this will go up to 3K or 2.5K. Let's check it out all the way to the left. And on 2.5K you can see this is shining pure amber over here. You got your second modes button over here where you change the brightness basically, so we can dim it down to like few percent if you want to get some light effects from it. So this is on 1%. You can barely see it's on with the lights I have from the camera, so let's take it up a notch. As you can see, it's on 7%, and this is how it looks like. Again, we can see the LEDs. And now if I long press the button, you will go to the colors. So 0 degrees is red, and you got yellow, you got green, you got blue, darker blue, and so on. So this is how it basically works over here. So now if I go to, let's say 60, this is almost green, like a yellow greenish color. Take it up a little bit more to a greener color. If I go further, you can see the color change. So I will just hold it up against the camera over here and just show you how the color is changing. So you got blue, darker blue, violet, and back to red, and so on. And let me check out how the effects work on this one. Alright, so let me showcase the modes for you. So over here we got a simple on and off switch over here for you. And the first mode is just a normal light over here where you can change the kelvins. So from white to yellow, we got 4000K. With one click you can change the intensity of the light, so from 0% to up to 100. Now if you long press, this goes to the RGB mode. So again, you can choose over here between all the colors, whichever you would like. Again, RGB, you can change the intensity again of the light as well. And another long press gets you to the scenes, or whatever they are calling this on the box, 13 kinds of light effects. So scene number 1 is cop car, so we got flashing red and blue. Scene number 2 is ambulance, so this gives us blue and red, I believe. It's blue and white. Then we got, sorry, not this button, fire engine, so the fire department, and this is again red and white. Another one will be emergency, so I believe this is the SOS signal, not sure. Check out another one, is fireworks, so this goes between the colors, as you can see, giving us a nice fireworks effect. TV, this is pretty creative over here. So like you're watching through a window, someone is watching the TV, the colors change slightly, or the intensity of the colors change slightly. You can see over here that this light right now is kind of changing colors between, or changing the intensity of the light, giving you the effect of someone watching TV, basically, if you put it behind a TV or behind a, I don't know, window, something like that. What we got over here as well is party, so this is just changing colors over here throughout the whole range. Then we got HSI slow, this just goes between the colors really slowly. So we got blue right now, and this would just go from blue to lila to red to green, white, and so on. HSI fast, which will change the colors faster, so you can actually see it change the colors real time now. RGB strobe speaks for itself. Red flash, so just flashing red light, green flashing light, and blue flashing lights. And this is it for the modes. Now with long press we can go back again to the normal mode over here. So overall this light is a awesome piece of equipment. And again, you got some shoes, some cold shoes over here, and this is pre-attached over here with a 3.8 inch as well. I'm not sure if I'm talking about a 1/8 inch thread over here. And this is how it looks like, 2000 milliamp hours. It has 60 LEDs in it. It's a very, very nice piece of equipment, and I recommend this to everyone. And it is not expensive as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and let me know in the comments what you think about this light. See you on the next video. Bye bye.